Hi, welcome to Ramesh Soft Video Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about inner interfaces. So what is inner interface? An interface declared within another interface or another class is called inner interface. So nested interfaces are used to group the related interfaces together into a common place. So what is the advantages of these inner interfaces? We can logically grouping interface into one place. It can increases the encapsulation mechanisms. Through inner interfaces, maintenance of the code is become very easy and it should be what? Very readable format. It means in Java util package as a part of collection framework we are having util package. In that we are having one interface called map. So inside that map interface we are having one more inner interface called entry, right? Now by default, whether it's specified or not, every inner interface is become public static. It means you are not required to specify inner interface as a public static. By default it will become public static. Next one, nested interface is declared inside the class can take any access modifier. However, nested interface declared inside interface is public implicitly, right? Now see here, let me write the syntax. Now see here, interface, outer interface name, inside this interface I am writing inner interface name. Now inside this I am writing close the inner interface, close the outer interface. Now we can have inside interface, again we can have one more interface. Now this interface we can call as a what? Outer interface. This interface we can call as a inner interface. Now we can have interfaces inside a class. Second one. Now see here how to define it. Class, I am taking some class name. Inside this class I am taking class name, and inside this class I am writing interface, inner interface name, and close it and close the class. Now my class is having inner interface or not? Yes, it means we can define inner interfaces at two levels. One is at interface level, one more is at class level. Now, so first let's go through inner interfaces, that is declaring interface inside interface, right? Now let me take one example. Now close all those things. Let me create one package, new package, com.rameshsoft.java.interfaces. Click on finish. Now select the package, right click, class, inner interfaces test. Now so let me take one interface bank. Inside this interface, right? So let me have outer interface level. I am taking one method, public void display. Now inside this interface let me take one more interface called bank ATM. So here I am having one method void cash withdraw. Now so just now we discussed inside interface, I mean inner interfaces by default implicitly is become what? Public static, whether we declare or not. Now see here, let me take one class. I'm taking this class, and this class should implement. You want to provide implementation for only outer interface. If you want to provide the implementation for only outer interface, just write what? Bank and provide what? Implementations here. No, I don't want to provide implementations for only outer. I want to provide for inner interface as well. Now just observe here, SYSO of outer interface implementations, right? Now see here, I want to provide now implementations for this inner interface, right? Now see here, if you want to provide implementations for inner interfaces, right? So whether you declare it or not, by default this will become what? Public. What is that? Static. Whether declare it or not, by default. So as a static, how can we access? Outer interface name dot inner interface name. Even though if you don't declare this public static, no problem at all, because by default every inner interface is become what? Public static. Now see here, bank dot what is that? Bank ATM. Now we need to provide implementations for what now? This cash withdraw. Now here I'm writing SYSO of cash withdraw. This inner interfaces is very important in Selenium, right? We'll see in Selenium sessions how we can use this inner interfaces. Now so let me write the main method. Now see here what I'm doing. Now I want to access this inner class method, right? See here just what I'm doing. Bank dot bank ATM some name is equal to what is that? What is the implementation class for it? New. Now on this name I can call what is that method? Cash withdraw. If I run this, let me run this program. Right click, run as Java application. Now see here, can I access this method or not? Yes. Now can I access this method? We cannot, because this is there as a part of what? Outer. But here we are providing implementations for what? Inner interfaces. If you want to provide the implementation for only outer, then simply what? Implements bank. That's it, right? Now this is about what? Inner interfaces inside what? Interface. Next, second example, let me declare inner interface inside a what? Class, right? Now we know already the syntax, how to define it, right? So class name, inside this class declare what? Inner interface. Now see here, right click, new class inner interface at a class level. So now take one class test inner. Now inside this class, now I'm taking what? Interface. I'm taking test. Inside this interface I'm writing one method called greetings. Now I'm taking one method as greetings. Now see here, now I want to provide the implementation for this inner interface, which is there as a part of what? Class. Now see here what I'm doing. Implements. For which interface you want to provide the implementations? For this is there as a part of what? This class. Inner interface, by default whether you declare or not, this will become what? Public static. Test inner, we know that as it is static, we can access through what? We can access through class name or interface name. Now dot what is that? Test. Now override the method, greetings method, put the cursor here, override it. Now this method is I'm writing SYSO of welcome to Ramesh soft, right? Now see here, now I want to access this method. Now see here what I'm doing, write the main method. Now create object for it. So if you want to create object, test inner dot test is equal to new. What is the implementation class for it? Inner class test. Now test dot, what is the method? Greetings method. Now let me run this program. Right click, run as Java application. Now see here, what is the output I am getting? So welcome to Ramesh Soft or not? Yes. And third one is inside interface we can take a class as well. Third approach is inside interface we can take what? Class as well. Interface, some interface name. Inside this interface, if we want, we can take a inner class as well. Class name, and then close it, and then close it. Right? Thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.